Well, I'm here at the Phabrix stand here at IBC 2019, one of two videos that we're doing here, so don't forget to check out the other one with Phil, and this one we're with Prin. Hi, Prin.
Hi there. So just like to take you through the work we've been doing with BT Sport in high dynamic range this year. We spent the last 10 months working very closely with BT Sport and the truck manufacturers and also the down converters to and the build up towards the sport of the launch of BT Sport's Ultimate channel, which or the app in fact, which kicked off with the Charity Shield match between Liverpool and Man City, which we're seeing some of the footage here from courtesy of BT Sport. So we've been using the QX tool set in the trucks to ensure that the quality of the final output is what meets the expectations of the broadcasters and matches with the brand, and also to analyse all the conversions that are necessary for a mixture of RF cameras and line cameras and SDR cameras, a mixture of HDR and SDR graphics, both from UEFA as well for the Champions League and all the range of stuff that they've been doing, so that when they're blended together, they give a seamless experience that matches the expectations in a high dynamic range product that's differentiated from the conventional SDR TV that we have today. And so they've been going through the whole with a fine-tooth comb, feeding that back to the engineering teams at various places, bring it all together, and the final results you can see for yourselves on the BT Sport app. So it's been quite a challenge, but it's been a blast and great fun to
Prin, that's great. I think as I've got you here, and I've been looking at this while I'm talking to you, if you want to give us a quick overview of what we're seeing, what measurements we've got up here.
Yep, so this is the HDR tool set that we have in the QX. So the first thing here is we have a picture view with a false color overlay. We're running Sony's S-Log3 format for this production, and we have a false color overlay of when we are outside the normal operating range of S-Log3, which is, you can see here on the waveform, we're going just below the line there. We also have what's called a nit scale here, which tells you what the expected brightness of the program is. So out of these cameras, well, certainly the RF cameras we get up to 2,000 nits out of here, so that's a really bright specular highlights that help make the picture pop. And then to look at the colorimetry, you see here the referees' yellow shirts are extremely bright. So this is what's called a CIE chart, a 1931 CIE chart. The outer triangle is the new wide color gamut in 2020. The inner one is sort of TV of today, and the blue line is what's called P3, is used in the cinema and Blu-ray world, and is representative of what TVs give. So you can see here how some of the very saturated colours, the Liverpool shirts are often down here in the deep reds and the bright yellows, and these are colours that you can't get in SDR television today. They all get clipped out and desaturated. So this is the nearest you can get to actually being there. You can't better being there, but certainly high dynamic range television and these tools help you establish the reality and bring that immersive experience to the home.
Prin, that's great. Now obviously you're showing this here at IBC, but if people weren't able to come and see it and they want to find out more information, is there a website they can go to?
Yep, so www.phabrix.com will give you the information that we have there, and if you have any HDR specific questions, then please reach out to us and we can help you with that inquiry.
Thank you very much. Well, there you go. You want to find out more, go and have a look at their website. And for us here at IBC at 2019, don't forget to check out KITPLUS.com.